Hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to part 6. Yeah, I believe this is part 6. Okay, so we just finished row 14. I'm just going to jump right into it. And after finishing the row 14, doing the double crochet popcorn stitch, I continued making 5 single crochets. So the beginning was here. I moved it here because due to the stitch, the pattern, the design. Okay, so from here what we're going to do is we're going to make jump here where the 3 chain is. We're going to make crocodile stitch. Remember we did total of 9. We're going to do total of 12 right here. Okay, so we're going to make total of 12, and then we're going to heighten the length of the crocodile stitch. Okay, so we're going to chain 3. You could have done this as slip stitch, but that's okay. So we're going to do 3 double crochets. Well, I'm going to count this one as well, so that would be 3, and then I'm going to do 2. Well, either you can pull it by 3 or do 2 loops either way, so you can pull 1, pull 2, pull 3. Okay, and then I'm going to make another one. Pull 1, pull 2, pull 3. Okay, so we have 5 here. And then we're going to make 5 here, and then we're going to make 2 on top right here. Okay, to do that, we go in the middle, and then we pull 1, we'll pull 2, we'll pull 3, and then we'd make a picot. Well, I'll make the picot on the second one. So we're going to make 2 on top of that popcorn. Just like this, pull 1, pull 2, pull 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, I make my picot. And then I'm going to repeat what I did here. So I'm going to pull by 3. So pull 1, pull 2, pull 3. And then another one. Pull 1, pull 2, pull 3. And then we're going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so as you can see, this is way bigger than the one that we made on the previous one. Okay, so just double check 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, now we're just going to jump. We're not going to chain or anything. We're just going to go to the next where the 3 chain is, and we're going to repeat this all the way around. So 3 double crochets. And then 2 pull it by quadruple crochet, I think that's what it's called. 2. So we have 5. And then I'm going to go in the middle here. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a picot, and then repeat at the other side. Pull it by 3. So pull 1, pull 2, pull 3. And then again, pull 1, pull 2, pull 3. And then 3 double crochets. Okay, 2. And then 3. Okay. So this is all see, that's the reason we don't do anything here. We just skip to the next popcorn, and then we make a crocodile stitch. I call it a crocodile. It's not a crocodile stitch, but the shape is the same. Okay, so continue crocheting like this all the way around for a total of 12 times. So we did the 2. Now we have 10 more to go. And I'm on my other camera because the other one is uploading. It takes time, so I am deleting these as I go, because as soon as I load them, upload them on YouTube, I come and delete, because these videos, there's so many minutes that space that it's covering on my camera. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget the picot. You have to make a picot. And then slip stitch and then continue making the other one. Okay, so I will let you go and just continue crocheting like this. And after we finish row 15, we'll start with row 16. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished row 15. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come here and then make a slip stitch to join. Okay? And what we're going to do from here is we're going to work from the back like this, what we did. And then from working the back, what we're going to do is we're going to attach these crocodile stitches to here. To do that, this is what we're going to do. Okay, it's a little bit of trick, but yeah, we need to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to make 3 single crochets here, 3 single crochets here. But here, we're going to make 2, and then what we're going to do is when we come to the end, we're going to make the last single crochet. Okay, to do that, what we're going to do is I'm going to hold it like this, and then we're going to join it from here. Can you see the V? So we're going to grab it from there. Okay, it's a little bit of tricky, but we're going to do that. Okay, so we're not going to work it from here. We're going to work it from here. And then to do that, well, no, let me just figure this out. Okay. Yeah. We're going to hold it like this to do that. We're going to maybe the crochet hook is a pretty number 5.5. It's a little bit tricky, fiddly to grab this V. Okay, so I grabbed it. So I'm going to pull it like a slip stitch. Okay, but I need to do the single crochet. Okay, so we're going to hold it like this and we're going to do 2 single crochet. Okay, but we need to pull this first. Okay, and then, like I said, try to find the middle, which is here, I believe. And then we're going to make 1 single crochet. And then we're going to make the second single crochet. Okay, but like I said, we're going to do 3, so when we come, we will make the last one. Okay, we're going to chain 5, 1, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if there's, yeah, let's do 6. Okay, and then we're going to, see, you can see those 3. Actually, there's 5, but we need the 3. Okay, so 3 is right there. So I'm going to make 1 single crochet, and then I'm going to grab, don't do it like this, do it like this, because we want it like we're gluing it, we're locking it. Okay, so grab those 2 loops that I showed you. It's a little bit tough. Yeah. So 1, and then 2, and then pull it, slip stitch it. Okay, and then we're going to go and then continue making our single crochets, which is 2, and then the 3rd single crochet. Okay, see? Isn't this lovely? Love it, love it, love it. Oops. Okay, so we have 3. We're going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and come here, and then make a single crochet, and then pull this one again, pull it like this, and then grab that. Maybe use a smaller crochet hook. I don't know. It's not working for me. It's too, the head is too big. But with a smaller crochet hook, you can just grab it easily. You know, that's another trick that you can play around with it. Okay. Then pull it, slide it. See? Then move on to the, grab the other one, then continue crocheting single crochet 2 and then single crochet 3. Okay, again 1 2 3 4 5 6, make a single crochet and then grab the other one. This is way easier and it will go way faster. Oh no, it was this one, these two. See, grab it from the back and slip stitch it, lock it there. See? Isn't this lovely? I really love this colorway. Anything you create, you make something, it just turns fantastic. 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we did 3, we're doing the 4th. Yeah, when you hold it like this, you only see the 3, right? There's 5 there. Okay. Hold it like this. This one's a little tough to see, but it's there. Right there, can you see? Huh. Then make a slip stitch. Okay, so I am going to let you crochet and I will finish this up and I will come back and we'll start row 17. This is row 16. And we're going to do single crochets on the back on row 17. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, I'll be right back. So just continue doing what I just showed you. The V right here. Here's the picot and the slip stitch that we create on the back is right there. Okay, I'll be right back.